Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how to create a root system for lemongrass so we can plant it. It will be like this. When the lemongrass has roots like this, we will plant it and it will grow quickly. Because it already has buds and roots, we will shorten the planting time. It will not die and I guarantee it will live 100%. These are lemongrass seedlings. I will cut off the top. These are still usable. I will root these stumps. You see, it will take root in this position. I will remove this bark to make it easier to root. And these are the dormant buds, which will develop into shoots and seedlings. I will use this pot. Let us put in the lemongrass. I tie it like this. Next, add water. And here are the results after 7 days. You see, there are a lot of roots. There are also many young shoots. I will take the wire off. Separate them into individual plants. These plants are ready to plant. The video ends here. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.